In this video, I'm going to show you how to add new languages to your iPhone's keyboard layout and then how to easily switch between them. The default keyboard language is going to be set when you purchased and set up your iPhone, but there may be a time when you want to add a new one, or maybe it just switched on you and you just want to figure out how to get it back. Start by opening up the Settings app from your home screen. Next, inside of here, scroll down a little bit until you see General and then choose that. Inside of the general settings, you're going to see keyboard a little bit halfway down the screen. Choose that. Next, tap keyboards at the top. Here's where you're going to find a list of all the keyboards that you have activated on your iPhone. To add a new one, select Add New Keyboard, and then find the one that you're looking for inside of the list here. When you find the one that you want, just tap it, make any selections again if you need to, and then when you're ready, hit Done on the top right. You'll then see that it's been added to the list of the available keyboards. Before we head over to an app to use our new keyboard, if you want to delete one from your activated list here, just swipe to the left on the one that you want to remove and then tap Delete. But let's head over to an app where we use our keyboard so we can switch to it. Once you have the keyboard up, press and hold on the globe here on the bottom left of your screen. From the list inside of here, you'll see all of the keyboards that you've added. To change the keyboard, just select the one that you want to use. You'll see that it then switches and you can use the new layout. To change back, just tap the globe to quickly switch, or you can press and hold to manually choose. You can also quickly get back to the settings menu by tapping the keyboard settings here. And that's how you add new and switch languages to your iPhone's keyboard layout.